Hello buddies, I hope you all are doing well and are safe being at home. We all are in quarantine since so long, and I don't know how much time we still have to be at home. So we have time to explore new things. I thought I'll try some recipes this time with you all, as cooking makes us happy, and we all love cooking. We all love trying new things. This is the time, guys, to show some love to your wife and your mom, and give them a break from their daily routine of cooking. So I'm gonna make an Indian fried snack, which is dal vada. It's made of lentils, and it's kind of fritter. So I'll tell you more about it. I hope you like this recipe, and if you really like it, let me know in comment section. So let's jump into the preparation. So as you can see, this is the mixture of split chickpeas or chana dal and urad dal or black gram lentils. So I took 2 cups of split chickpeas and 1/4 cup of black gram lentil. I soaked them for almost 2 hours. I soaked them separately. Make sure you also remember to soak separately so that you can combine while making the mixture. So now I also before making the mixture, I removed less than a cup of chana dal aside from this mixture, and now I'm going to blend it together. I'll just put everything in the blender. So I put the mixture inside the blender. So I'm gonna put 1 spoon of cumin. That's called jeera. That's also an Indian spice, and couple of red chilies depending on your taste. You can put 1 more if you want, if you're really looking for more spicy. So I'll now blend it, blend everything, blend the mixture. It will be coarsely, and make sure you do not blend it finely. Now the mixture is ready. I'll just pour it into a bowl. It is very thick, as we did not add much water. So this is the transferred mixture. You can just see how it looks. Now time to add spices and salt into the mixture. First of all, I'll add garam masala. So you can add half tablespoonful of garam masala, then coriander powder and cumin powder, all half tablespoonfuls. Then chili powder as needed, so it should be half to 1 teaspoonful, and salt as needed. We need to put 2 onions finely chopped, and a couple of green chilies. It's again optional. If you are a spicy person, you can. Then ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoonful, 1 or 2, and chopped coriander leaves. and some curry leaves. You can put, it's always advised to put fresh curry leaves, but as this is quarantine time, I couldn't go out, so we had some dried ones, so I'm putting it. So everything is ready, so I just need to mix it up. Okay, I missed this one, the leftover chickpeas, split chickpeas. So we need to mix it properly. So now it's time to heat some oil in a pan. You can see how much oil I have put. So we'll just wait until it heats up. It will take 5 to 10 minutes. Then now it's time to put little oil on both of your palms. So this can be vegetable oil or canola oil or anything. Then take small portion of the mixture on your hands. This can be this much. And shape them into balls and slightly flatten it. You can use your 2 fingers to flatten it. You can also use greased sheet also if you like to flatten it. Then you can just keep it aside. So this is what it will look like. These are all the flattened balls. So now we'll just see if the oil is ready. It looks like the oil is heated up, so we'll put the flattened balls. You can decrease the heat. You can keep it in medium. Make sure you do not heat it too much. And once it is heated up, after 2 to 3 minutes, you can flip the vadas and fry it till it changes color and becomes golden brown. Yeah, I'm just flipping it over. Seems like it's almost done. It's time to take it off and put it in a plate. You can put some napkins so that it will soak everything, soak the oil, the remaining oil from it. So see how it looks. So I'm putting the remaining balls from the remaining mixture the same way like I did. Ready, looking very good. I will just test it before I'll tell you how it is. Just take a bite. It's really yummy, very crunchy, very tasty. You should try it at home. You can either try it, have it with a cup of tea or chutney. I prefer to have it with tea. I'll share my recipe of the tea in my next video. So you guys take care and see you soon.